All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Another TNA Productions here in beautiful LA, Manitoba, La Broquerie, as we call it here. Beautiful drive out. For you viewers at home, no Timbo tonight. Timbo asked for the day off, so yeah, we granted him actually the weekend off. Special guest joining me today, Maddie Levac. She's going to be joining me in the booth here today. Maddie, say hi.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, ready to go here. Refs are looking ready to go. Maddie, what do you think we could see tonight here on this this game here, Jets against the Blizzard?
Should be a good matchup tonight. Both teams look ready to go, so should be a good one.
All right. Okay, coaching staff looks ready to go. Only two tonight, maybe. Maybe Christmas parties or something's coming up, or maybe they're just late getting there. But yeah, we're ready to go here. So we're ready to go. Just trying to maybe get some Wi-Fi here, but I don't think it's going to work out. So we're not going to be going live. That's just what it is in these rural communities here. They don't give that Wi-Fi out, so we can't do it here. A couple of APs in here. We'll try to get their names. We got number 18 for the Jets, and I believe, no, just looks like one AP tonight. Referee skating around here. He's getting ready to go. We'll try to get AP's name there, number 18. If not, we'll be calling him number 18 for tonight. That's okay. No problems there. The Blizzard are going to be looking for a little revenge here. It was a big game last game, so we'll be looking to go here. Jets look good. Minus we'll be minus Dallas Vermette tonight. I believe injured. Ruir still injured. No, getting it from upstairs here that Vermette is suspended. Vermette is suspended. So okay. We'll dig into that for you guys, see what why the suspension took place here, but yeah. Everybody ready to go here. Just picking up the pucks, and then they'll be doing their ceremonial cheer here, and then we'll be ready to go here. All right. Maddie, anything to add here?
Oh, everybody is getting ready. Set to go.
All right, thank you. Okay, some good pump-up tunes here. I don't know what's going on here, but that's okay. It must be a good tune. I'll ask, I'm going to get the nod here from Taylor. Is this a good song? No, she's saying no, so I don't know what it is either. I don't know the music these days, but yeah, it looks like coaching staff for the Jets, there are going to be only two here. So from 4 to 2, that's okay. Handle that. That's no problem there. Jets going to do their cheer here. Drums out tonight. Drums out tonight there. So yeah, got the boys here. Everybody's clearing away. Everybody wants to watch the feed. That's okay. That's okay. So they're going to start off number 18. We don't have his name yet, but they're going to start him off. He's going to go here. He's going to play with Neufeld, Ty, Ziegler, and Coulomb. Baldwin's going to get the start in net here tonight. Mama Ziegler just coming into your picture here. Neufeld's going to keep that in. Yeah, does a great job there. Dumps it into the corner. Number 18 for the Jets is going to come hard there. Yeah, big hit. That fires up the Jets bench here. Here we go. Number 10, Dirksen just jumps it down. Schrader's going to try to pick that up. Coulombe picks him up. Number 18 for the Jets here is going to pick that up. Ziegler. Ziegler gets knocked off the puck. Number 18, another hit there. That gets chopped down. Big hit on Radley there. Doesn't phase him. No icing, no icing. Chipped in. Captain Chernyby's going to pick that up. Captain Chernyby to Fairzy. Fairzy just misses that. Nice try there for Fairzy. Chernyby. Emerson. Emerson on the wall. Ukert. Radley keeps it in. Radley a little shake and bake. Shot. Emery's going to pick it up. Last man. Oh, just gives it back to him. There's going to be a change here. They're not changing. Yeah, now they are. Captain Chernyby's going to dump this in. It's going to come all the way around. Mr. Neufeld back on the ice here. First action, we see Roland here on the ice. He's going to be going hard here. Roland's going to keep it in. A little shake and bake on the line there. Looking for somebody. Takes a shot. Saved by the goaltender. Como keeps it in. I think it's time. I'm getting a little hungry here. Maybe order a little Mick Como there. A little Mick Como. Emery from the point. He's going to rip it across to Radley. Roland back to Roland. Roland shot from the side and out of play. Great deflection there. Good step for the Blizzard here. Maddie, what do you got for me here?
It's a good start. Blizzard came out hitting. I can see they got a few good hits, but the Jets came out with some good offense, so a few good chances on net.
Good. Thank you. Thiessen, Ty puts the pressure on him. Robidoux. Lavac's going to pick it up. He's going to retreat back. Chips it off the boards to 18. Still got to get 18's name. We're going to get it. Somebody's going to bring it to me here. Robidoux takes a hit. Ginter. No, kept in. Ty goes for the hit. Shot from the point. Baldwin with the save. No problem there. Jets are going to change the whole kit and caboodle here. Everybody's going to change. So a little bit of a slow start here, eh, Maddie?
Yeah, it could be a bit quicker. Hopefully they pick up the speed here.
Maybe feeling each other out here, seeing what's going on here. Shot from the point. Baldwin glove save. Routine save for Baldwin. Those are becoming routine for him. On the broadcast, those are routine. I'm sure grandfather Richard's going to be watching here from at home there from Ontario. In front here, Verschuk, no. Neufeld, Chernyby gets it out. Blizzard retreat, Schrader. Good hit by Neufeld there. Oh, great play. He's going to pass it up. No, fan on that pass. Ziegler, pressure on Ziegler. He handles that no problem. Neufeld coming in hard. Coulombe keeps it in. Coulombe, yeah, stays in. Linesman right on there. Lines lady, sorry. Chernyby. Nice try there. Nice try. Fairzy almost got the mark there. Nets off, yeah. That's we're gonna get stoppage of play here. All right. Como, Robidoux, Roland come out. Emery, Radley. Ukert is gonna go against Como here. Camo's gonna try to, no. Roland's gonna try to win it back to Como here. Quick shot on net. I think that's the play here. Roland won it 2 cleanly there. Radley's going to retreat. Off the boards. Comeau. Robidoux. Robidoux a little shake and bake. Going to take the hit. Yeah, perfect. Spun away from that one. Perfect. Okay. Goalie makes an awkward save there. Mr. Penner, I believe, is in net here. Mr. Penner, is that Penner or Maddie?
Looks like it.
Yeah, okay. Penner's in net. We're gonna go with that, even though it's not him. We're still gonna go with that. Buchert against Robidoux here. They're gonna grind in here. Okay. Buchert's gonna get kicked out. Unger's gonna come in here. Yeah, Robidoux. No, Robidoux lost that one. Gonna come all the way around here. Yeah, perfect play. Emery stood his line there. That's good play. Roland's gonna come in hard. Radley. Radley pinches, keeps it in. Roland, little shake and bake move. Buchert working Roland there pretty hard. Yeah. Blizzard like that. They're cheering for that. Big hit by Mick Comeau. That's a combo number 1 there with Mick Comeau. Robidoux's going to keep it in. Jowett misses that. Roland's going to skate. Well, passes it over to Emery. Okay. We got people back here. Blizzard are going to do a full change. Robidoux's going to come back hard. I'd like to see Robidoux come back a little harder there. And that's not the pass we want to see. Number 18 for the Jets there. Here goes Roland. No. Chip away. Does get it back. Emerson's going to go for the hit. Roland pushes him off. Roland into the slot. Neufeld. Blocked by the Blizzard. That's a good play. That's a good play. Levac, Ginter are on the ice now. Gets thrown in front. Levac. Big hit there on Neufeld. Penner's going to go wide. Great play by Ginter. He's going to throw it up. Neufeld's going to race. Nope. Number 18 for the Jets here picks it up. AP here. Thanks for coming out. Gets knocked off the puck by Reimer. Tie in front of the net. Gets hooked up. No call. That's okay. That's no problem there. Reimer. Schrader shot over Baldwin's head. Comes in hard. Ginter. Like to see Levac show a little bit of support there. Give him an option for passing there. Levac's going to step up. Verchuk goes right by him there. No problem. Levac's got to go hard. Buchert. Yeah, hits Buchert. Takes the hit on Buchert. Verchuk gets knocked off. No play there. That's a good call. I like that call. Hey, Maddie, you like that call?
It's good. It's good call. Good call.
Yeah, good call. Okay, thanks. Full change here. That's a big hit. Big hit by the Blizzard there. That's okay. Baldwin's going to stop this. He's not going to take any chances here. Let's stop this pressure. Let's get changed up here and get the players back on the ice. Maddie, you see anything I don't see?
No, but they just got to clean up. They just got to clean up in their defensive zone, but the offensive zone's looking good.
Yeah. Great pass by Ziegler there, right up to Captain Chernaby. Up to Fairzy. Fairzy coming in. Like to see Fairzy go a little wider there. Try to go around them. That's okay though. Schrader. Captain Chernaby takes the hit. That's okay, makes the play though. Oh, puck gets caught up there in the mesh up there. That's fine. No problem there. Okay, so 0-0, 12:28 left in the first period. Still goose eggs on the board. Robidoux, Captain Chernaby, Fairzy, Ziegler, and Coulomb. Blizzard player in the corner, throws it around. Captain Chernaby's going to go hard here on Reimer. Reimer gives it back to Emerson. Back up to Reimer. Buchert missed that one. Ziegler throws it into the middle, but the Blizzard picked that up. Ziegler, the great pass to Chernaby. No momentum, another great move. Oh, nice low shot there. I like that low shot. Chernaby. Last man here. Coulombe picks it up. Baldwin's going to shoot that to the boards. Comeau. Coulombe's going to pick it up. Coulombe's putting pressure there. Neufeld keeps it in. Great play by Neufeld to keep that on the line. Great stretch there. Roland, Neufeld working great together. Ziegler's going to keep that in. Oh, picked off by Schrader. One-on-one here. Radley. Great play. Force him to the outside there. Ziegler's going to take off here. He's got 3-on-2 here. Little how's she going? Little hook. Comeau over the net. Over the net by Comeau. Must have been tipped. Must have been tipped there. Yeah, a little how's she going and almost there, eh? Maddie, what do you think of that one?
Yeah, it was a good rush by Ziegler. Got to keep the pressure on and get a goal.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we got our Rubidoo, Ty, our famous number 18, and Emery and Radley on the ice here. Puck gets thrown in the corner. Radley's going to come in. Great pressure by Radley. Keep that in. Little how's she going? He's going to keep it in. Rubidoo. Rubidoo loses it there. Schrader picks it up. Hebert goes cross ice. Ty picks that up. That's borderline. Borderline there. Vereshchuk, borderline call. Ty's going to put some pressure here on Schrader. Little bump there. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. Everybody happy. To the point. Emery, high shot. Tip. Stays in play though. Schrader. Schrader throws it across. Radley picks that up. Number 18 dumps in. He's going to go for a change. Captain Turneby jumps back on. Fairzy, Neufeld. Blizzard trying to do that stretch pass there. That's onside. Penner didn't have anything. Neufeld hit. Still on it. Still on it. Neufeld. Captain Turneby. In front. No. Emery dumps it in. Fairzy picks it up here. Fairzy, little move. Neufeld sitting up in that high slot there. Neufeld goes to pick that up. Neufeld to Radley. Radley throws it back into Neufeld. Neufeld to Turneby. Turneby in front. Neufeld. Nope. Puck does not get out. Penner to Jowett. Schrader shot, blocked by Radley. In front. Great save by Baldwin. Great play by Radley there to ease the pressure. Just throw it up over the glass. Schrader disappointed in himself there. Okay. Levac, Ginter, Roland, Rubidoo, and Comeau jump on the ice here. Levac throws it around. Roland skates up. He's going to put the pressure on. Comeau does stay onside. Rubidoo stays onside. Comeau in the far corner. Levac does keep it in. Levac, no traffic though. Going to take a shot on net. Blocker save by Penner. Off the referee, does stay in. Nope, comes out. Levac. Reimer's going to, great pass to Roland. Roland misplays that. Oh, Jared Levac blows a good year there. Vereshchuk. In front, all alone. Yeah, that can't happen. That can't happen. Gotta pick up that man. You got one assignment, you gotta pick up that man. All right, well, 1-0. 7:41 left in the first period. Yeah, yeah. Levac knows. That's okay. That's okay. We're going to jump back here. We're going to jump back. Have a feeling we'll get this one right back there. Ziegler. We got guys falling all over the place. LeBrokery Ice, gotta be something here. Gotta be something. In the corner here. No pressure here, no pressure. Buchert up the middle. No problem for Ziegler here to get back. Buchert trying to pull a move here. I think we need to take the body, eh, Maddie? I think we need to take the body here. We're being light. We're being light.
We need a few good hits to let them know we're out here.
Yeah, we're being light here. Number 18 here. Oh, he keeps it. Okay, Ziegler's going to try to poke that. Yeah, he's going to get it. Yeah. Good play. Good play. Captain Chernaby, no, not loose. Couldn't get free there. Couldn't get free. Robidoux, pressure. Vershchuk. Still pressure. Vershchuk out. That's offside. Yeah, yeah, good call. Good call. Got that up here, eh, Maddie? That was kind of obvious. All right. 6:21, 1-0 for the Blizzard here. Here we go. Chernaby, Robidoux, Fairzy stays out there. Defense change up here. Emery comes back out. Schrader. Schrader all over the map, eh? Tonight, Maddie, Schrader. That's the guy we got to watch. We got to hit Schrader every chance that we get. That's what we need to do. Robidoux. Emery takes a hit. Robidoux takes a hit behind there. Fairzy. Yeah, Jets look a little flat here. A little flat. Need some hits out here. Need some hits. Oh, great save by Baldwin there. Great save. Great save. There we go. Fairzy cleans it up. That's good. Unger for the Blizzard. To Penner. Penner throws it to the middle. Schrader. Schrader goes cross ice. Jowett just dumps it in. Up to Neufeld. Neufeld off Neufeld's stick. He's trying hard. Yeah, great work by Neufeld out there. Kamol. Kamolo, how's she going? Shoots. Oh, great save by Penner there. Great save by Penner. Ginter. Ginter keeps that in. Como goes for the hit. Radley pinches in. Como throws it in front. Great, good play by Radley there to not try to keep that in. A full change here. Full change for the Blizzard. But offside? Nope. Yeah, okay. Well, I disagree with that call, but that's okay. That's why I'm up here, right? That's why I'm up here. Ginter. Ginter. Shot from the point. Oh, deflection. Oh, good save there by Radley. That was a good stop there. Roland's going to boot it out. He's going to try to go wide. Nope. Kept in. Full change. Ginter. Buchert. Buchert comes over the line. Goes around Ginter. Robidoux. Robidoux turns around. To Ginter. Ginter to Levac. Levac's going to whip it around to Roland. Roland's going to take off here. He's going to burn out. Tries to... Okay, gets chipped up there. Okay, Levac's going to stay out with Ziegler here. Robidoux, our number 18, and Ty. Ty gets knocked off the puck there. Levac puts it to Ziegler. Ziegler's going to take off here, dump it in. We need a chase. We need a chase, Maddie. We need a chase. No chase. We got the dump. We just need a chase. Levac tries to keep it in. Ziegler handles that no problem. Ziegler's couple of slashes. No, ref's not going to say a thing about that. He says that's play on. That's okay. Big hit by Ty there. I like to see that. Ziegler can't keep it in. Oh, Rabidou grabs that. Good play. 3:01 left in the first period. Great play by Levac. Levac's going to spin. Yeah, there's a good call. Yeah. I like to see that.
Nice. Come on, guys. Come on.
Delayed penalty here. Schrader on Levac. Took the leg there. First call of the game here. Over. Como goes. Okay, here we go. Power play. Maddie, what do you think about power play here?
Well, let's see what they got, and hopefully they bang one in.
All right. Going with that same power play unit number 1 here. 1 defense. Rabidou loses that draw. Roland goes in hard. Up the middle. Great play there by the Blizzard guy to go up the middle. Gets it all the way down. Ziegler's going to retreat. Reimer's is going to leave him back there. Comeau's going to pick it up. Put some pressure on. Oh. Buchert. Great play by Buchert. Oh, Ziegler gets it back. Ziegler's going to skate up. Little how's she going? Going to throw it in, and Buchert's going to get it down. Buchert hogging a lot of ice time here today for the Blizzard. We're going to see a lot of Buchert, captain for the Blizzard here. Him and Schrader, I think those are the two we got to worry about. Comeau gets around Hebert. Good play. Comeau shot. Yeah, we're going to get a face-off here. Okay. All right. 1:39 left in the first period. 1-0 Blizzard. 1:07 left in the nothing on that play. Yeah. Well, I don't think we got a shot on net on this power play here. Same unit out, still same unit. Don't think they got a shot here. That's okay. As I say that, scores. Nope. Nice try, though. Nice try. Puck gets dumped out. Coulombe's going to retrieve here, get the puck. Jets crowd getting antsy here. They want to see some action here. Neufeld. Oh, gets stopped here. Ginter's going to stroll back here. All right, 34 seconds left. Penalty is going to expire here. I think maybe a shot on net, maybe two. Neufeld, slot. Unger with that block. Perfect. 24 seconds left. Rodney Penner giving instructions there. I'm sure everybody heard that at home. Fairzy keeps that in. Oh, Buchert. Buchert's going to take off here. Buchert shot. Nope. Well, that ends the first period. I think, Maddie, what do you think about that period?
I think there's a little bit of room for improvement there. A little bit slow in our zone. Got to pick it up in our zone and keep getting those chances offensively and get a goal.
Yeah.
Get back in the game.
I agree with that. I think we stopped taking the body there. We need to take the body against this team like we did last game. I think that's how we beat them, taking the body. So I think that's key. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, well, we're going to take a little break and we'll be back. We'll be back for the second period.